Hi guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and for today we're going to be showing you 7 different basic threads that you can try out. The term threading came from the action of putting a thread through a needle hole. So B-boys took that and tried to mimic it. So things like this, where you put your limbs together to form a hole and then you thread through, this would actually mimic the thread through the needle hole. So let's take a look at the 7 basic threads now. We have seen the 7 different basic threads that you can play around with, so do remember one thing: keep your threads clean, don't break your threads until your movement is completed. If not, you'll look messy as fuck.